Alright. I think we can all figure out which one's the new one, which one's the old one. Now, for those of you that are going to attempt to put a rack and pinion in your '06 and older Jeep Liberty, just know that if you've got four-wheel drive, that front diff has to come down. So make sure that you do realize that you are going to have to take that front diff down. And in order to get the front diff down, you literally have to take and get the front A-arms out, the lower A-arms. So if you're going to plan on doing this job, if you haven't already done it, now's a good time to get new ball joints, new bushings, and new sway bar end links. So, and of course, do you really want to put these old tie rod ends on a brand new rack? No, didn't think so. So, you've got all this garbage in the way when you actually take the front diff out. This cross member's in the way because you can't just push the diff back. It doesn't give you enough room, and it's going to come out the passenger side, and that's why you got to take this mount down. And the big reason why you got to take the A-arms out is because of this bracket hole and that one right there. The bolts go in through here. So you can see where your A-arm would bolt through there, and your A-arm is going to sit right here, right in the bloody way of you getting that bolt out. So for those of you that are gung-ho on doing work, this is what you got to do. So it's not just take out these big huge bolts here and it just slides right out. No, 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 no. You've got a lot of stuff in the way. Now, let's go to the engine compartment. Because engine compartment, I'm going to tell you this much flat out right now. Just take the entire pump out. You're going to get so much room to access the bolt that holds your steering shaft in, and you're going to get access to the hoses on your power steering rack. Now, if you're like me and you're just going to replace the hoses at the same time, which is a good idea, and you can't get the bloody things out, I just cut the darn things. I just came in here with a pair of bolt cutters, you know, made darn sure that everything else is out of the way, and I came in here with a pair of bolt cutters and I just cut the bloody lines off. Now, with that said, those lines are sharp. So, and that is how Chrysler Corporation got the line to do a 180. Okay? So, some of you may have what they call the heavy cooler package. In that situation, I would highly recommend you get rid of your, you pull your clutch fan off. You're going to gain so much more room. And pull your shroud. So keep that in mind. And when you slide it back up in here, you're going to slide it up pretty much through here and up and around. So I hope this helps some folks out there who are planning on doing this. It's a very tedious job. Now, remember to mark your bolts, your lower A-arm bolts, because they are a cammed bolt. Just remember to mark your lower A-arm bolts so that you can at least get it somewhere aligned properly. You're still going to need a front end alignment after you do this job, but at least it's going to get you in the ballpark. So thanks for watching. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you on the next one.